Alright guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road, and we're going to show you how to install a rear bumper on a 2019 Plus Sprinter van. There's a couple of basic tools you need. There's T40, looks like a ratchet, and a couple of clip removers. And that's all you need, honestly. And you need a hitch receiver that's factory. And from here, we're going to show you how to do it. There's a couple of screws you're going to have to take off using this the T40. You will continue to do all of them across. Once you have taken those off, there's a couple of clips I'll show you how to take off as well. With your clip remover, you will remove this piece because you have a clip underneath, so it's like overlapping situation. So you must clip this out to clip this in, or both out. Once you have all the bolts out and all the clips on both sides, before you remove the full complete bumper cover, as you can say, you have to remove the clip that actually has the wires together. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Clips off, and then that plug in the bottom, you may start to remove your factory bumper by trying. Sometimes it might get stuck a little bit, but you know, just kind of fiddle with it. It might be nice to have an extra person like we do now. There you go. Boom! From the floor, you want to pull the outer edge, the pieces off. By doing that, you got to kind of pull on it hard, like that. And then you pull the other side off. And then you'll reinstall these pieces back onto the car. You'll leave the centerpiece off. Next step is to remove the parking sensors and relocate them, if you have them, onto the new bumper. Okay guys, so what we have here is our parking sensors, basically like they're the pigtail of the bumper. If you have an extended original foot on the Mercedes, you'll have enough wiring. If you don't, some of the sensors you'll have to extend. You have to see which ones. The way I put it in, the first two are perfect. The last two, you'll have to extend 2 wires on each one. So make sure you make a note of that. So these two, you might have to extend maybe a couple inches. And once you walk over here, the sensor right here does not reach this other one. So you might have to extend the 3 wires on this one. Again, if you have the extended step from factory, this is long enough for you to work with. We also have 2 of these, left and the right. So what we're going to do is actually attach it to the bumper. We're going to hand tight them. Nothing gets super tight. And then we're going to, once we put them on the hitch receiver, everything, as long as you like the gaps and everything, then everything gets tight. make sure that this bumper is not too high up, that when you close the doors, you have just enough gap that it's not hitting the doors. I'll show you real quick. Bam! And that includes our install video. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at the shop or shoot us an email.